Hello everyone. In this tutorial, I discuss about instructions format at 8085 microprocessor. So, an instruction is a command to the microprocessor to perform a given task on a specified data. We know that simply this. Each instruction has two parts. Number one is task to be performed called operation code. And second one is operand, and the second data to be operand called the operand, means operated. The operand can be specified in various ways. It may include 8 bits. Operand may be 8 bit or 16 bit. Clear? An internal register, a memory location. So a instruction word size in 8085 instruction set is classified into the following groups. That's the following groups in 3 groups. First one is 1 word or 1 byte, 2 word or 2 byte, and third one is 3 word or 3 byte. So here I first discussed about 1 word or 1 byte. So a 1 byte instruction includes the opcode and operand in the same byte. Operand are internal register and are coded into the instructions. So what are the tasks of 1 word or 1 byte? These are copy the contents of the accumulator in register C, and next one is add the contents of register B, and last one is invert each bit in the accumulator. Next I discuss about 2 word or 2 byte. In 2 word or 2 byte, the first byte specified the operations code. First byte specified the operation code, and second byte specified the operand. Okay. The source operand is data byte immediately following the opcode, and for this the task is load an 8-bit data byte in the accumulator. And next one is 3 word or 3 byte. So in the 3 word or 3 byte, the first byte specified the opcode, and the following 2 bytes specified the 16-bit address. In 3 byte, first 1 byte specified opcode, and next 2 byte specified the 16-bit address. Note that the second byte is the low order address and the third byte is high order address. Okay. So the task of 3 byte instruction is transfer the program sequence to the memory location 2085H. Okay, fixed. The instruction would be require 3 memory locations to store in memory. So these are the instruction format at 8085 microprocessor. So thank you everyone. See you in next tutorial and subscribe my channel.